Mercedes had launched the 2026 version of the V-Class in India at 1.4 crores ex-showroom with delivery starting by end of March. Priority allocation is for customers. Essentially, it is the facelifted version of the previous V-Class between 2019 and 2022. This new luxury has several exterior and interior as well as a new petrol engine. Please claim the top-end vehicle segment by 11% in 2025, and one of every four sold is the top-end lineup. As well as decided to bring back the van in an updated avatar to take on the Lexus LM and Toyota Velfire. The car makers offering it in only 3.4 meter long wheelbase, guys, the longest of any India. Line styling is standard, courtesy of which you can three-pointed star-studded grille up front, signature motifs are even blackened off air down below. Multi-beam LED headlamps with DRLs, sporty-looking bumper round of this side. The slap-forward design and profile is smartly operated door at the back that's open and close with the pull of the handle. The specific models equipped with the older 18-inch alloy wheels, which looks a bit small for sheer size. 19-inch options available. Here there's an upright tailgate which is electrically operated, but the highlight the glass can be opened, providing access to the storage area to store small bags, even groceries. The tail lamps have vertical LED elements in the pre-facelift V-Class. Color choices are obsidian black, high silver, alpine grey, light blue, and crystal white. Black and beige interior choices will be of the seating layout. The chauffeur buyer can buy a maximum space of up to 4-seater version with 2 captain seats in last row, offering extendable legs, cooling, heating, and massaging. Seat configuration offers 2 middle setup, one with seats facing the third row, other in a conventional forward layout. Double inclusion the Airmatic air suspension with adaptive cooling is standard. Those seats will be pampered with 650 watt 15 watts audio system featuring Dolby Atmos and shades. But roof is absent, let alone and panoramic windows cannot be opened either. To the front seats, they are powered for ventilation. Both the digital driver display and central measures 12.3 inches with the latter offering wireless Android Auto and physical buttons for climate and opening and doors and ambience. Equipping it with driver monitoring as a camera, isofix air 7 airbags, parking brake with auto hold, 360 camera setup, and auto dimming rear mirror, adaptive cruise control, tire monitoring system, hill start assist. NCAP has awarded full 5-star rating in the crash settings. Two variants on offer: V300D diesel and 300 petrol. The diesel V class offers a 2.0 4-cylinder turbocharged hard producing 237 bhp, while the petrol version 2-liter engine makes 231 bhp. Engines are mated to a 9-speed torque automatic gearbox. A 3-year warranty standard, and buyer can opt for curated service packages starting at 90,000 rupees.